Lance just walked up to Kelsey and he goes, got some bad news. I'm like, I love when a sentence starts like that.
We're a couple miles away from the finish line.
Well, like, I remember the other day.
Do we think the dining table is gonna fit? I'm panicking.
I'm nervous.
So the parade starts 2 weeks from today, but we have to be done earlier because we are doing a photo shoot of the house before the parade opens to the public. So we really have like a little less than a week. I've been really stressed about those chairs. We have a pair of leather chairs that is supposed to go at the front of the living room and the table, and by this miracle right here, it seems like we're going to be getting them. So when is that lower piece get installed?
I want to say it was like next week.
Okay.
Next Monday, I think.
Okay. We're missing a panel. There's like a marble panel that goes on the bottom part of that we're waiting for. And then we're doing a hand-painted mural, and James Mobley is flying in on Thursday to do that. So the Broadbent team envisioned the dining room as an enclosed pavilion, and there's this water feature that runs underneath it. So we really just leaned into the natural, organic feel of the architecture. That's really pretty though, looks really good. This shape works in here. Things are looking good in here. So we have pretty much all of our furniture in here. We're just waiting for the 2 upright pianos that go along this wall. But our antique clock is here, our rugs are placed. So yeah, we're feeling good about this room. We gotta keep moving to some of the others, but I think we're moving in here.
The books in this house, like,
You got stacks.
stacks on stacks of books.
Wait, this is a pretty one.
Oh, that is really good. See, this is what we're talking about, okay? Okay, this is what we're talking about. Beautiful. Even better.
Better. Take the covers off your books, people.
I'm in the scullery, which is a very large pantry here, and there will be a beautiful kitchen island that's installed. It's like a furniture piece. I've gotten so many questions about what this is. So originally we had copper molds that were gonna go on this wall, but we decided to do a copper pot rack from the ceiling. So then we moved all those over there, and then we had this blank space, and we fell in love with these vintage hotel bells where you would ring them and it would ring like a doorbell. No, they're not ringing the kids or anyone else, but I do love the effect on this wall. It's very dimensional. And then on all of these walls, we have a blue and white tile that goes from floor to ceiling, and then there are little designs scattered throughout. When conceptualizing the kitchen, the scullery, and the kitchen nook, a big part of the decision making was the materials. Do we mix paint and wood? Do we do all wood? We went through a lot of different combinations and decided actually that for the heart of the home, we were going to do the oak on all of the kitchen cabinetry and in the scullery, so it just anchors everything and ties that material theme throughout all of the other spaces. I know, I think this is one of my favorite rooms in the home. This is our Kohler sink, which is very exciting. The Audrine, yes. Then our clients, like a painting of our client's Grammy is going here, which is very sweet. So that's going to be a surprise for the owner. She doesn't know that's coming. Aww. We are missing the countertop in the island, and they are going to be installing the range in full. So we can't style the countertops. We're still kind of waiting to see how that comes together.
Check it out. Inspiration.
With the tight deadline of this home, the builder has lots to finish at the same time that we're installing. We're just all kind of like moving around each other, ducking, and just making way for all of the trades.
Okay, second piece of countertop is coming in.
That's so beautiful.
like can't even handle it.
I'm so sorry.
You have cream cheese on your nose.
I have cream cheese on my nose? Oh, thanks.
Right. Pianos are coming.
Right now?
Yeah. They're gonna be parking in the like
piano?
gravel lot and coming in through the garage.
Then we can finish that.
And then you can finish the music room. They're here right now, so they have their own ramp that they're gonna set up at the stairs.
The front door was still under construction, so we couldn't bring the grand piano through or 2 upright pianos. So we had to use the man door through the garage, down the hallways to get those pieces placed.
One more.
We didn't maybe account for the thickness of the wall panels. So it's even tighter than we anticipated.
Did you measure?
We measured.
We did.
That's gonna be close. I'm down this much. Oh boy.
So there is one good thing happening right now. So James Mobley arrived. There's a lot of good things that are happening right now, but one really good thing is James Mobley is here and he is prepping to do the mural on all of the walls in the dining room. So that's what's happening right here. Prep is happening, and give it a little bit of time and then we'll see some movement. Yeah. James Mobley is here and he is painting a mural on all of the walls in the dining room and also on the walls and ceiling of the craft room. This is a really unusual layout. We are doing a dining room that opens up to a craft room, and the craft room has all closed cabinetry so that when our client is hosting, you can open up both spaces and that craft table doubles as an overflow dining table.
Look at craft room styling. See
Oh my
how you're-
gosh. The murals.
The mural.
So pretty.
I'm dead.
The fox and the mouse.
It's so cute.
And the snail.
It's so cute. They were so landing on a branch.
Right here. And he signed his.
theirs underneath.
And the dining table will be here today.
Okay, yeah, I'm excited to see that. I'm very anxious to get all the chairs around and see if we need to like put a throw on the back. I wasn't nervous a few days ago, but I am feeling a little bit anxious because we are down to the wire.
In here, we haven't placed this island.
The island placed. Like, I like the idea of centering it here and kind of giving people a little bit more room around the space. We'd rather center it so it's centered on this like diamond with the pot rack. You know what I mean?
That's what it's been drawn as.
Centered?
Centered
Why
on
don't
the...
you and I lift this? That doesn't feel bad.
No.
It doesn't feel bad. So I think we go centered.
Okay.
You get centering on the like rug,
Centering on the pot rack. That'll be centered.
on the lights.
On the lights.
I think that's the right move. Yeah.
Great.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, it's the dining table. It's the dining table. What's here? No, that one.
I'm worried.
We're all like,
Yeah. This looks huge.
I'm panicking.
I'm nervous.
It's a very large space, but also that table looks really large as well. So crossing my fingers that it fits. Our chairs are wide enough that it is okay if it's one.
That's true.
It's more spatially that I'm panicking.
Can I have you hold this, please? Just it's exact.
I mean, I'm worried about the table, but I'm actually most concerned about the landscaping being done because there is so much to be installed and I have nothing to do with it. And so I'm just watching as a spectator from inside every single day, seeing how much is left. And everyone assures me that it's gonna happen, but I do feel a little nervous about it. Love it. I'm so glad the dining table fit. It looks fantastic.
Come down this much. Yep. Past it.
He's making me so nervous.
I think he's nervous.
I think we're all nervous.
We're all nervous.
I'm gonna faint on this
I
couch.
know, I'm like, I'm gonna throw up.
It does. We measured it. It looks tight, but we were like,
Yeah.
Okay, my hands are just full speed.
I'm like, I'm gonna cry.
You guys are amazing.
Oh my gosh.
That's perfect. Let's move this guy.
Stunning. When it came to the styling, we really wanted to ensure that every single piece was meaningful in this home, and we were given that opportunity. Our team traveled to different locations throughout the US and sourced and imported different antiques, and you can see that in each piece feeling very unique and special to this home.
What do you guys think when we're looking at these legs? Like,
We have this crazy heavy dining table that is stone on the legs, solid stone on the top.
we gotta make sure that they're lined up because once it's set, it's set. We are trying to make sure that the bases are as level as possible and that we can get everything set perfectly so that we don't have to make any other adjustments once this is placed. Yeah, how are we feeling now? We pretty level? It really turned out. Oh shoot, guys, I forgot there's a rug. Just kidding.
Oh my gosh, the countertop's been installed. It looks so good. So good. Oh my gosh. We are so close. We are so close. We have been waiting for this table and it's never going anywhere, ever. We did solid stone legs. There's 3 of them. And then a solid slab stone top. I love the way the blue chairs turned out, and then we did this oval shaped light that kind of follows the shape of the windows, and it's really coming together.
Monday, 9 a.m. Monday, 9 a.m.
Monday,
Monday, 9 a.m.
Everybody say that. Monday at 9 a.m. Don't forget.
Stay tuned. Next week, we'll be taking you behind the scenes of some of the cutest kids' rooms you've ever seen.